Welcome to this video, guys. Here, as you can see, I'm getting this error. Claude's response exceeded the 32,000 output token maximum. To configure this behavior, set Claude Code max output tokens environment variable. So if you are using Claude Code from the terminal, or if you are using an extension like I am, the fix is the same. We just need to increase this token value in Claude Code max output tokens environment variable. So let's see how you can do it. First thing is, if you are using terminal, which just lasts for session. So if you just want a quick fix and you are in the terminal or command prompt, you just need to enter this command here. You can just increase this to 64,000, set your environment variable. Now the environment variable is set. If you keep on using your Claude Code from the terminal, it will work for that terminal session. If you close it and reopen it, you'll have to set it again if you are using some big tasks. Okay, so this is a temporary fix. Now how to do this permanently on Windows? Let's see that, and after that I'll show you how you can permanently fix this in Mac and Linux. So if you are on Windows, press Windows and R together, and here in the run dialog type sysdm.cpl. that is sysdm.cpl. Hit enter, click on advanced, click on environment variables, and under system variables here you can see a bunch of values. Just click on new and then copy this name here, go back, paste the variable name, and enter your increased value, that is 64,000, and just click on OK. And now you have created an environment variable that is permanent, and now you don't have to set anything in terminal and command prompt. You just need to close your terminal or your IDE and then ask Claude to continue, and it will take the increased value of Claude Code Max output tokens. Now, if you want to do this in Mac or Linux, you'll have to open your shell config file and enter these commands that are shown on the screen. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.